With this fat-burning drink, it is possible to have a flat stomach in 1 week with no exercise and no diet. This is an easy-to-make proven drink recipe you can make at home for 15 minutes to instantly burn belly fats in 7 days. Lose 3 to 4 inches of your waist by drinking this mix every day, so make sure to follow the instructions carefully. Ingredients you will need. 1. Turmeric powder. Turmeric is referred to as the queen of spices and is the best spice for weight loss. It melts down stubborn belly fat, it helps you reduce bloating and water retention. The main ingredient found in turmeric is curcumin, that helps to burn belly fat by increasing the flow of bile in the stomach, which helps to break down fat. Drinking this mix on an empty stomach every morning can help break down the fat that causes you to gain weight. 2. Cinnamon. Cinnamon helps to burn belly fat and help you to feel full, so you don't eat a lot during meals. It also helps to accelerate your metabolic rate, thus burning belly fats fast. 3. Pepper. Pepper is an important ingredient in this drink, because it helps to make turmeric absorbed into the body faster, and thus helps in weight loss. 4. Fresh ginger root. Ginger root is a natural appetite suppressant, and also promotes fat and waste elimination from the body. It helps to lose weight naturally, and also accelerate your metabolic rate to make this an instant belly fat burning drink. How to make. In a pan, add 250 milliliters water, then add in 1/2 inch cinnamon broken into 2 or 3 pieces. Add in a fat pinch of freshly crushed pepper. Let the water boil, and allow it to simmer on low heat for 5 minutes. While the water is simmering on low flame, remove the skin of 1/2 inch ginger, rinse it thoroughly in water, and then slice it into a cup, and keep this aside after 5 minutes. Add 1/3 tablespoon of turmeric powder into the water, and give it a mix, and switch off the flame immediately. Pour the mix into the cup with ginger, and give it a mix. Let the ingredients set in the cup for 10 minutes. Leave the cup open. Drink after 10 minutes. Consume this drink preferably in the morning before breakfast on an empty stomach, or at night before you go to sleep. This accelerates your metabolic rate while you sleep and is 100% effective. This drink will not only help give you a flat belly, but also make you feel great overall. Notice the difference in just 3 days of drinking. Try it and let us know the results in the comments section below. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, and hit the bell button to keep you notified and updated with our latest videos. We are trying our best to give you the most informative health-related videos, regularly. Thanks for watching The Health Room.